Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on INFINIX Hot 11s. So in order to do this, we'll need to open the RAR app. We've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now find the files that you want to pack, and mine are located right here. Select each of the file, click on this plus button, and right here you'll be able to change archiving options. So you can leave everything like it is if you don't want to create some special kind of RAR file. So I'm just gonna change the name. Click OK to pack it, and you'll create the RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.